Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer software testing interview question 257. That is, what is delta release? Let me answer. So what is delta release? The release that happens in RC phase of the software, that is release candidate phase of the software, can be known as delta release. Okay, there are different names for the release that happens in the RC phase of the software. One of the names is delta release. Okay, so before that, the software goes through several phases. Okay, we have to understand that the software goes through several phases while getting developed, or during or while getting released into the market. The software has to go through several phases. There are five such kind of phases. That is pre-alpha phase, which is the first phase, then followed by alpha phase, then beta phase, and fourth phase is the release candidate phase, that is RC phase, and final phase is the stable phase. In the release candidate phase, if the software is released into the market, okay, that release can be named as delta release. One of the name is delta release. There are different names also, but for what purpose this release is happening, what exactly is this RC phase? Okay, let's understand in detail, guys. Okay, it's the fourth phase of the software. Here the software will be released into the market, not for selling or usage purpose of the customers. Okay, it will be released to the customers for testing purpose and for collecting the feedback from these end users and customers. Okay, they will give the software to the customers, end users. Okay, whatever the software that has been developed so far till the RC phase, that software will be released as it is into the market. Okay, and will be given to the end users, customers, and ask them to use. So while the customers are using this particular software in different circumstances, different environments, different locations around the globe, okay, whatever the different machines, operating system, different configurations and all, okay, lot of feedback will be collected by the company, guys. Okay, it's not so possible for the company to do this level of testing. Okay, when they release the software to the end users or customers, okay, it's not the real release. Okay, they will mention that it is a beta release, and then they will release into the software, and customers will start using that as if they are really want to use the software for their real needs and all. So lot of feedback and lot of user needs and expectations can be found out with the help of this release. Okay, the company can find out, and this kind of testing which is done by the end user or customers indirectly while using the software is called as beta testing. And the company may decide to release this particular software not to the entire public. Sometimes they will do a open beta release where the software will be released to the customers for testing purpose, that is beta testing purpose, for entire complete public, but not always. Sometimes the company may make a decision of closed beta release where only for a set of or closed group of or limited group of end users or customers only the software will be released, and these people only will be using the software as if they are using in the real time different environments and configurations, and the feedback will be collected from them. Okay, this release that is happening to the customers and where the customers are doing beta testing, okay, has several names. One of the name is delta release. The other names for this release, okay, apart from delta release, it is also called as RC release. Okay, depending on the company, guys. Some company may call it as RC release while releasing the software in the RC phase, or some company may call it silver release, some company may call it gamma release. Okay, and release the software. Some company may call it delta release and release the software into the market. So hope, guys, you understood what is delta release in this session. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to answer another software testing interview question for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.